Hello, and welcome to Go English Tutorials Spooky Story Series. This one is called Tiffany, the Terrified. One early evening at dusk, Tiffany took a trip to see Oliver at his tall treehouse. He had just taken a long, all-day nap because he was tired, but now he was very talkative. Hi, Tiffany. Toot, toot, hoot, hoot. There's soot on my boot, and I just bought a new flute that cost a lot of loot. And Tiffany tried to talk, asking Oliver why he has a boot and why he spent so much loot on a flute, when suddenly, crash bang! Lightning struck the tall tree, and terrified, Tiffany fainted and started to float towards the treetops. Whew, where are you going? She drifted up and up and up until Oliver couldn't fly any higher. I'm totally tired and Tiffany is nearing the stars. Whew, how can it be? Suddenly, Tiffany awoke and saw a space bat. Because of the shock, Tiffany fainted dead asleep again. The helpful bat attached some weights to her hands, and she drifted all the way down to where Oliver was waiting. Is it the end?
No, not yet.
It's to be continued. Have a happy Halloween and keep studying English. The musical credit for Creepy Music Box goes to Dimitri Terrace.
Subscribe.